Hello, children. Good morning to all. Hope you all are staying at home and you all are in good health. Today, we are going to have our maths class. So, let's begin our today's class. Today, we are going to learn a new topic, 3-digit numbers. Before learning, let us recall the 2-digit numbers which we have learned in our previous class. Now, this is a cube and this cube represents 1, 1 and 10 such cubes or 10 ones make 110. Now let us recall this with the help of an example. We have 5 tens and 7 ones. So 5 tens and 7 ones make the number 57. Now let's move to another example. We take the number 99. So we know in 99 we have 9 tens and 9 ones, and to this 9 ones we add 1 1, we get 10 ones, which is equal to 110. So now we can say 9 tens and 1 tens is equal to 10 tens. Now this 10 tens is equal to 100. So we can say that 10 tens strip make 100 sheet. Now let us learn the relationship between hundreds, tens and ones. So this is ones column, this is tens column and this is hundreds column. So in ones column we have 1 1. In tens column we have 10 1, which is equal to 110, and in hundreds column we have 10 tens, which is equal to 100. So the relationship between hundreds, tens and ones, 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 tens is equal to 100. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. So we know that the single cubes represent ones. There are 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have written the number 5 under the ones column. There are 3 tens. So the number 3 is written under the tens column. And there are 2 hundreds. 100, 200. So the number 2 is written under the hundreds column. So the number is 235, which is read as 235. Now we move to another example. Here also ones column, tens column and hundreds column. In the ones column we have 5 ones. In the tens column we have 5 tens. And in the hundreds column we have 200. So the number is 255, which is read as 255. Now let's move to another example. So here we have the number 6 in the place of ones, number 4 in the place of tens, and another number 4 in the place of hundreds. So this number is 446. Moving to another example. Here the number 8 is in the place of ones, number 2 in the place of tens, and number 5 in the place of hundreds. So this number is 528, which is 528. Now we move on to the abacus. So we have already learned abacus in our 2-digit numbers. So in abacus we have 3 sticks. This is the stick of 1, this is the stick of tens, and this is the stick of hundreds. So in this case we have 2 beads in the stick of hundreds, 3 beads in the stick of tens, and 1 bead in the stick of ones. So the number is 2 hundreds, 3 tens and 1 one, which is equal to 231. Now moving on to the next example. Here we can see 1 bead in the stick of hundreds, 0 bead in the stick of tens, and 0 bead in the stick of ones. So the number 100, 0 tens and 0 ones, which is equal to 100. Now moving on to the last example. Here we have 3 beads in the stick of hundreds, 4 beads in the stick of tens, 4 beads in the stick of ones, which is 3 hundreds, 4 tens and 4 ones, which is equal to 344. Now our next topic of discussion is expanded notation. So the number 324 can be expanded as 3 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 4 ones, which is equal to 300 plus 20 plus 4, which gives the number 324. Now let us understand this expanded notation with the help of an example. Now moving on to the next slide. Example 1. So here we have the number 496, and we have to expand this number into hundreds, tens and ones. So let's do it. So 496 is equal to 4 hundreds plus 9 tens plus 6 ones, which is equal to 400 plus 90 plus 6. So we can say that the expanded notation of the number 496 is 4 hundreds plus 9 tens plus 6 ones, which is also written as 400 plus 90 plus 6. Now moving on to the next example, we have the number 258. So 258 can be expanded as 2 hundreds plus 5 tens plus 8 ones, which is equal to 200 plus 50 plus 8. Now moving to our next topic, place value. Place value is the value of the digit according to its position in the number, such as tens, ones, hundreds, etc. Now let us understand this with the help of a number. Let us take the number 346. We can write the number 346 in the place value chart as the number 3 in the hundreds column, number 4 in the tens column and number 6 in the ones column. Now let us look at the place value of each digit in the number. As the number 3 is written in the hundreds column, it means there are 3 hundreds and so its place value is 300. As the number 4 is written under the tens column, it means there are 4 tens and so its place value is 40. And as the number 6 is written in the ones column, which means there are 6 ones and so its place value is 6. Now moving to another example, we have taken the number 579. The number 579 can be written in the place value chart as the number 5 in the hundreds column, number 7 in the tens column and number 9 in the ones column. Now let us see the place value of the digit in the number. As the number 5 is written in the hundreds column, it means there are 5 hundreds and its place value is 500. As the number 7 is written in the tens column, it means there are 7 tens and its place value is 70. And as the number 9 is written in the ones column, it means there are 9 ones and its place value is 9. Now we move to the next topic, face value. The face value of each digit in a number is same as the digit itself. Let us look at the number 346 again to understand this. As you know already that number 3 is placed in the hundreds column, number 4 in the tens column and number 6 in the ones column. But the face value of a digit is the same as the digit itself, irrespective of where it comes in the place value chart. So, the place value of digit 3 is 3 only. The face value of digit 4 is 4 only. And the face value of digit 6 is 6 only. Now we come to another topic, comparison of 3-digit numbers. To compare 3-digit number, we have to follow few rules. Rule number 1, a 3-digit number is bigger than a 1-digit number or 2-digit number. Let us take an example. We have taken two numbers 245 and 74. Since 245 is a 3-digit number and 74 is a 2-digit number, so 245 is greater than 74. Now moving to the next rule, rule number 2. In a 3-digit number, first compare the hundreds digit. The number with the greater hundreds digit is greater. For example, we have taken two numbers 342 and 576. So, we have to first compare the hundreds digit. Here the hundreds digit is 3 and here the hundreds digit is 5. Since 5 is bigger than 3, so the number 576 is greater than 342. Now moving on to the rule number 3. In a 3-digit number with the same hundreds digit, compare the tens digit. The number with the greater tens digit is greater. For example, we have taken two numbers 738 and 784. Since here the hundreds place is same, so we have to compare the tens place digit, and since 8 is bigger than 3, so the number 784 is greater than 738. Now let's move to the last rule, rule number 4. In a 3-digit number with the same hundreds and tens digit, compare the ones digit. The number with the greater ones digit is greater. So we have taken two numbers 545 and 540. So here we can see that the hundreds place digit
and the tens place digit are the same in both the numbers. So we have to compare the ones place digit. Since 5 is greater than 0, so the number 545 is greater than 540.
So with this we come to the end of today's class. Hope you all have understood today's topic. So thank you dear students and have a nice day.